The path of an entrepreneur is tortuous and there are difficulties at every step, but it is through them that new horizons open up.
A business is not solely a process of making money. It is a community that actively works towards building the future.
By creating jobs, paying taxes, investing in infrastructure and injecting innovation. We harbor an entrepreneurial spirit that fuels our desire to develop and reach new heights. It is only in a free society that people can unearth their talents and potential. Where small and medium-sized businesses are being developed, they form the foundation of a fair and equitable society. Thanks to the economic and political freedom, we have the opportunity to create, build and develop, forging our future here and now.
Freedom to create, join forces and develop together.
The Business Association JIA is the pride of our business community in the Kyrgyz Republic, and a member of the International Organization of Employers.
JIA operates throughout the country, offers its members opportunities for international networking and building dialogue between the state and business.
JIA brings together representatives from businesses of various sizes and industries and from all regions of the country, as well as associations.
Successful entrepreneur, developed country. Become a part of JIA.